Hey, what's going on, guys? Wanted to go live today. We just created a Discord. Definitely go join this Discord. Let me see if I can get a link and throw it in chat here. Let's bounce back. Yeah, as more people jump in here, we'll definitely, if you have any questions, feel free to throw them in chat. Gonna try to, here we go, invite people. Throw this in the chat over here. I'm not sure if it's a clickable link or not. It should be. Join the Discord, ask questions. Come hang out. Yeah, we're going to talk about options, dividends, just general investing stuff. Want to build a community on this space, and yeah, kind of go from there. Hop on the live stream channel. Come kick it. Let's see what's going on Twitter, or X. Yeah, it was pretty good week for me as far as trading goes. Traded a bunch of different tickers, MSTR. You know, MSTX is the leveraged version, and obviously SPY, QQQ, IWM. Some of the most liquid index funds out there that I like to trade options on. Nike was that swing play. I don't know if you guys saw that video or not. I talked about how I made roughly 1%. Had the potential to make 1% in like it was like a day or something like that, or no, 3 days, which was pretty solid. I think I ended up selling out. I bought my call, and then I just exited my position. Didn't make the full $80. Made, I don't know, $50, $60. But yeah. Yeah, come hang out. We'll talk about stocks, yield max funds, different stuff like that. I'm gonna hop on here for a little bit. See if anyone wants to hop on. Chat it up. Join the Discord for sure. Link in the chat. Join the Discord. Come hop on a live stream. We'll go through some questions and just kind of want to get some feedback from you guys for sure. Talk about some stuff, stocks, ETFs, income producing assets such as the yield max funds, and so forth there. MicroStrategy, it's been in very popular stock, you know, the past, if we can make this bigger. It's been getting a lot of press. 1 week, maybe. Zoom out a little bit. Yeah. Look at that chart. Pretty massive. It's pretty choppy though, needless to say. MSTR. Very volatile stock. Yeah, the MSTR IB. Definitely like using this website for looking at the IVs and stuff like that. 127, just incredible. Looking at the historical IV, where do we go here? Yeah, so it's currently 127. 52-week average is 99. 52-week high is 226. So yeah, I mean, if you're looking for high IV stocks, definitely go check out MSTR. Very volatile stock for sure, though. But yeah, once again, guys, if you guys hop on here, definitely go join the Discord. We are trying to jump on here and get some feedback from you guys. Hit the like on the stream so it pushes to more people. And then yeah, feel free to join the live stream or the Discord and hop on in the live stream here. Bunch of college football today. Pretty stoked to watch some of those conference games for sure. But yeah, like I was saying though, I traded, mainly these tickers this week. Wish I would have held MSTX a little bit longer. I did day trade it Friday. I think I purchased like 100 shares right around, it was like 99 something. I ended up making like 50 bucks maybe, but it did shoot up to like 104. That was the high on Friday. But yeah. What do you think about NFLY? Ooh, NFLY, great recommendation. Hey, join the Discord channel. Come on, come chat it out. But NFLY, it's been a beast. Let's look at total. I'm pretty sure it's been a beast. At least Netflix has been on a tear. Let's look at. I got all these funds in here. NFLY though, definitely go check out this website. I like using this website for looking at total returns. NFLY year to date 67.91%. And that's because Netflix has been rocking and rolling. It's actually pretty close to Netflix, honestly. A lot of times you see like MSTR and MSTY pretty massive, but yeah, those are pretty close. I know there's another one that's called NFLP. It's managed by Curve. I don't think it's as old. Yeah, it's only since October 27th. But yeah, it's another one you can look at as well. I think long term, this one will probably. Yeah, like these dates are messed up. Let me see if I can go. Because the inception date on this one is. Yeah, I don't know. This website's acting up a little bit, so you can see. I don't know. Yeah, you can't see it on my screen, but the date range is like 10/27 of 2023. 20, yeah. Okay, so maybe that's only showing available data from that date, but needless to say, Curve, if you like NFLY, look at NFLP. It pays less as far as the yield, but Curve is a little bit more conservative. They sell further out of the money call options on NFL on Netflix. But yeah, join the Discord, Conrad, for sure. It should be that first link in the chat there. Come join the Discord, hop on the live channel, and then we can chat it up about various, yield max funds or pretty much whatever you want to talk about. For sure. Yeah, Netflix, they did pretty well with that. Recent fight with Mike Tyson and Jake Paul. Conrad, are you an investor into like yield max funds? Probably are with talking about NFLY, but yeah, it's done pretty well. Jim, yeah, I appreciate it, man. For sure. Total rate of returns is really cool. Now, it's hard to assess. You look at some of these funds, right? Like look at Tesla. You have to look at like year to date. It's getting smacked from a price return. You have to understand that this chart is just a price return. So you have to look at the total real returns. Now, obviously, the problem with this is you have to pretty much drip at least part of the dividend to keep up with that NAV erosion. There's another one that a lot of people have been talking about, like TSLP. It's up 6. Of course, it's only from. Oh, so it is a full year. It's up 6.72% just on the price return. So you could have essentially invested into this fund, put $28,000 in this fund back, or $2,800, whatever, back in January 2nd, not dripped your dividends, just lived off those dividends, and then your investment is still at $30,000. So, they're paying a smaller dividend yield, but you don't have to drip your dividends. You can essentially, if the market continues to rip up like it has been, but essentially you can not worry about dripping. That's just another kind of option there. But yeah, guys, join the Discord. First link in the chat there for sure. If you're having issues with that, Tesla's already paid initial investment even with a downward action. Yeah, I'm sure it has. Tesla's been on a roll, but Conrad, cool, you joined. Awesome, man. Hop on the live stream and you can ask some questions. I do YMAX and Misty. 13K a month average, bro. YMAX is I was looking at that one earlier. Justin, join the Discord. Come hop on and tell us about how much you're investing and pretty much your story, man. $13,000 a month average is crazy. Are you dripping them? Are you living off those dividends? What's your kind of plan with that? Everyone, go join the Discord. First link in the chat. Come join and hop on our live streams channel. We're on here if you have questions. Would love to. Definitely Justin. Heimer loves Tesla, not me though. Tesla. Dude, Tesla. I don't know what happened to Tesla Friday. Did you see Tesla Friday? It shot up. I think it hit $400, close to $400 a share. I don't know what happened, but it went parabolic. I mean, it's the thing with these yield max funds. Like, you have to be a believer, at least in my opinion. You have to be a believer in the underlying. If you're not a believer in the underlying, then I don't know why you would invest into the yield max version of it, because in order for the yield max fund to perform well, even though you're selling kind of a bearish strategies with covered calls, is actually covered calls is more of like a bullish play long term, but you have to believe in the underlying. And Tesla right now is probably making a good case to be a believer, especially with the Donald Trump association and stuff like that. And Elon teaming up together. Look at the chats here. Cleaning out garage at the moment. I retired 3 years ago, but I live off and reinvest. That's cool, man. So what'd you say? You said you're in YMAX and Misty. Yeah, Misty has been... MSTR has been a beast this year. Do you think... I was trading it. I was talking about it earlier. I traded it a little bit this week. Gosh, the options and the IV on that stock is crazy. But yeah, definitely join Discord, though. Sometimes I would love to kind of get your feedback. You know, if you're making $13,000 a month from these funds, come provide some wisdom to some other people in here. They're definitely interesting funds. YMAX is, once again, if no one knows what YMAX is, it's pretty much a fund of funds. There's some NAV erosion going on there as well, but it's pretty much all their yield max funds. PLTY has been a beast. I don't know if you guys have seen that one. I just made a video on that one earlier. It's only been out for 2 months. It's already up 37%. Crazy. Jim, you said Misty, Nivity, TSLY, PLTY, RDTD. Looking at YETH. Is that like a Ethereum one? Oh, I had it right there. Oh, it's Round Hills Ether cover call strategy. That's cool. Wow, 17% year to date so far. Yeah, definitely join the Discord. Come tell me about that fund. I've not heard about that fund. I do like RDTE. That's when I've been kind of eyeballing and looking at starting to kind of build out a position. What I've been doing, I've been kind of scalping, or like I'll get into a position. Like I haven't really been. I've been dollar cost averaging into some, but like sometimes I'll like try to time the market, day trade it a little bit, buy like 100 shares, let it run up a little bit, take out my original investment, and then keep the 2 or 3% in it to slowly build out positions that way as well. I've been kind of doing that on some of the more volatile ones, like Misty's. Like their price swings are pretty crazy throughout the day, so you can kind of. I try to time it a little bit sometimes. Sometimes I get stuck holding them, but that's what I've been kind of doing. Yeah, Jim, join the Discord. Come chop it up for sure. Anyone else? Conrad, I saw you join the Discord. Come join the live stream if you want to. If not, it's not a big deal. But if you want to kind of hop on here, I kind of want to get some feedback from you guys as well. Do you guys just passively invest into these funds, or do we have any other options traders in this live stream right now? I'm kind of a mixture of both. I like selling options. I talked about how I played Nike this week. I'll join eventually. Yeah, for sure, man. Definitely do that. You sound like a great asset to join the channel. You know, making $13,000 a month from your investments that's awesome. That is incredible. I'm more of in the growth phase right now, so like I like these funds and I've been tapping into them a little bit, but I'm trying to, grow my capital for sure before I start to really go after income. Cleaning the garage right now. I need to be doing that right too. My wife would be on me wanting to do that, but that's cool though. Yeah, Keimer, or however you say his name, he's blown up. He's been a huge advocate for the yield max funds. If you guys don't know who I'm talking about, definitely go check him out on X or Twitter. It's called We the Keimers. He's a huge advocate for these yield max funds, and he's growing a pretty massive portfolio. He gets a lot of heat on social media and stuff, but he's all in, and he's got a big channel, so definitely go check out his channel. He's really a big influencer in this space. Definitely a lot more experience than me as far as these high yield funds go. Looks like he just bought $25,000 of NVDY on, was that Friday? Yeah, so he's building some massive positions in these funds. CEPI, I think that's the one I just made a video on the other day about. That's an interesting one. If you guys haven't seen that fund, they pretty much create a portfolio. We'll look at it real quick. CEPI. They create a portfolio of stocks that have crypto exposure or allocations to. So look at the holdings. Make sure you guys can see this on your screen. Yeah, so it's Coinbase, MSTR. MSTR is a proxy, right? You know, like they're leveraging the crap out of on their balance sheet for crypto and stuff like that. Hood, obviously, the ability to purchase crypto on their platform. They're probably making money off the spread and the fees and whatnot. Coinbase, same thing. Mara is a Bitcoin miner company. Tesla, I did not realize this, but I think I saw they have like 10,000 Bitcoins. So like $1 billion just on their asset sheet. So Elon Musk is advocate for crypto for sure. Then you got Riot, Coors, PayPal. PayPal was one. It's pretty interesting too. NVIDIA. Yeah, appreciate it, Jim. Thanks for joining. College football, yeah, I'm not going to be on here long either. A lot of cool games I'm definitely going to check out. For sure. It's all about compounding. Yeah, Justin, definitely. I know YieldMax didn't used to pay weekly dividends, and I know they got a lot of heat with that because Roundhill and some of the other fund managers were coming out with weekly. But I think with what they did, it was a smart move. They split up their payments of funds, though. So now you can kind of construct a portfolio and get dividends every Friday. That's pretty cool. Yeah, and this is what I'm talking about with the distribution schedule, guys. So they broke their funds up into 4 groups. You can see Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D, and pretty much you can construct a portfolio. These pay every Friday, unless there's a holiday or something like that. So ex-dividend date is Thursday. Announcement day is Wednesday, but every Friday they pay distributions. So the way they did it, Roundhill, a lot of these other fund managers were coming out with weekly paying funds. And YieldMax sells monthly contracts. I believe they sell monthly. They may sell weekly now, but what they did was they're still paying monthly, but they're paying on different dates, which I think is great. You know, so Tesla is still paid monthly, but it's every, like, the first week of the month, second week of the month, third week of the month, fourth week of the month. So December 6th, that was the most recent payment, and that was Group B. So next week will be Group C, Group D, and then it repeats at Group A. Their target 12 ETFs. So these are a little bit more conservative, more capital appreciation will happen with these funds, I believe. You know, obviously MSTY has been on crazy this year, but these are targeting 12% yields, not like the 50, 60, 70, 80%. These other ones are targeting, but these have a different schedule, right? So the declaration, it's going to be January 7th, which is a Tuesday. Ex-dividend date is Wednesday, and then they're going to be paying on Thursday. So these are different. So the only 2 target 12 funds they have right now are BIGY and SOXY. BIGY is just 50 large cap stocks, and then SOXY is semiconductor based. But yeah, that's that. Yeah, guys, go join the live stream. First link in the chat. Pin message. I'm going to pin this message here. So go join the Discord. And then we're on the live streams channel here. So if you have any questions, you want to come in here and chat it up, feel free to feel free to do that. And yeah, I'm going to try to build out this Discord, just more of a place someone can come if they have questions about just general investing, dividends, options, and then we'll add some other channels as well. But yeah, I think those are going to be the main ones we start with for now. Any other questions, guys? Leave them in either the live stream chat or come join the Discord. Yield max questions, options questions, pretty much anything you want to talk about. Go check out I posted a couple of videos today talking about PLTY, which PLTY is on an absolute tear. Year to date, it's up 37% in 2 months. So but looking at Palantir, it's up 360% year to date. I cannot believe it. Back in January it was $16. It's now $76. Crazy. So it's pretty much a software. American public traded company that specializes in software platforms for big data analytics, headquartered in Denver, Colorado. I think they're really targeting a lot of government-based assistance too. So they've been awarded some government contracts this year, and that's really kind of from what I've been reading really helped their success. Yeah, guys, hit the like, subscribe. Appreciate all the feedback. Really goes a long way. It helps me, continue to do what I'm doing, pushing out more content. Go follow us on Twitter. We try to post on there often as well. Our ad name is Stack Dividends because that's what we're trying to do, right? Stack dividends. We're also trying to leverage some of these high yielding yield max funds to create some serious, weekly, bi-weekly income. MSTR has been on an absolute tear. Roundhill. Do you guys like these funds? XDT, QDT, RDT. I know RDT is one I've definitely been watching a lot. I think they're holding their NAV a little bit better. So if we look at RDTE, so it's only since September, but it's held its NAV 6.71%. XDT I think is a little bit longer or a little bit older of a fund. Yeah, since March it's up about 2%. QDTE came out in March as well. They've lost a little bit of their NAV. But another one too that, oh no, that's not the right one. I think it's QQQ. This is one I've kind of been watching as well. It's managed by Curve ETFs, so they have a lot of covered call income funds, but they're more focused on, they sell further out of the money call options. So they're more focused on, they're going to pay a smaller yield, but more capital appreciation and definitely less NAV erosion with their funds. KQQQ is kind of a, they pick and choose specific tech companies that they think are going to perform well based upon momentum and stuff like that. Then they have some of these other ones like AMZP, APY, Goop, MSFY, NFLP, and TSLP. I think NFLP has done pretty well for them year to date. But as you can see, they're paying a smaller yield. So 35%, 25%. Wow, Apple's pretty small, 12%. Goop, 16%. Microsoft, 15%. We already looked at Netflix. And then Tesla at 26%. But, yeah. Bitcoin crossing 100K. That was pretty massive. Let's see if there's any comments over here. Yeah, no comments. But yeah, guys, I think that's going to wrap up today's live stream. We're going to hop on here real quick, just chat it up with you guys. Definitely go join the Discord if you haven't. We'd really appreciate that. Wanting to build out more of a community over there. But yeah, that's going to be it for today, guys. I'm going to go watch some college football, enjoy some time with the family. And yeah, stay tuned for more content coming. We're going to try to continue to push out as much as possible. Go join the Discord. We're going to kind of try to do more live streams where we get more feedback from you guys and get more of a interaction going on in this platform as well. First link in the chat is the link to Discord. Go join. It'd be really cool. Follow us on Twitter, or X, I guess it's called now. But yeah, stay tuned for the next time we go live. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for sticking around.